just shifting focus to another breaking update coming across where 65 MLAs in Karnataka there have signed a letter demanding action against those MLAs and ministers who are speaking against Karnataka Chief Minister Yediyurappa. Now the letter also mentions support to the Chief Minister and claims that he is doing good work during the times of the pandemic. Let's listen into a reaction.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನ ಶಾಸಕರು ಆತ್ಮಸಾಕ್ಷಿಗಂತ ಎದೆ ಮುಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಹಿ ಹಾಕಿದ ಪತ್ರ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರಾಗಲಿ ಕೆಲವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ವಿಜಯೇಂದ್ರ ನನಗೇನ್ರಿ ವಿಜಯೇಂದ್ರ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ವಿಜಯೇಂದ್ರ ಸಂಘ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು. ನಾನು 3 ಬಾರಿ ಶಾಸಕನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ವಿಜಯೇಂದ್ರನ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಾನೇನಿರಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನ ನಮ್ಮಂಥವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಕೊಡಿಸಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಶಾಸಕರು ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಶಾಸಕರುಗಳು ಸಹಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಪತ್ರ ನನ್ನ ತಕ್ಕ ಇದೆ. ಇದೇನು ಕದ್ದು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ಪತ್ರ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಇದೇನು ಓಪನ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾನೇನೆ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸಹಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ನಾಯಕರಿಗೆ, ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ನಡ್ಡಾರವರಿಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ
ಎಷ್ಟು ಶಾಸಕರ ಸಹಿ ಇದೆ.
Going across to Sagyaraj, who's joining us live this afternoon. Sagyaraj, what are these signs really hinting at what's happening within the BJP Karnataka government there? Because Yediyurappa seems to be saying that he is ready to step down from his post if the party high command asks. We're also getting to know that the BJP National General Secretary will also be visiting Bengaluru. What's really happening there?
See, all seems to be not well within BJP government here in the state of Karnataka. If you notice, 2 weeks back, one of the ministers, CP Yogeshwar, had visited Delhi and he also spoke to media that he was unhappy with the government, and he also went on to say that it is a 3 political party government which is running in the state. And subsequently, Yediyurappa had replied to him stating that his complaint was not heard in Delhi, and even there were also blame game of de facto Chief Minister of Vijayendra. Now, BS Yediyurappa had made it quite clear that whenever the Delhi High Command requests him to get down from the position, he is ready to sacrifice his seat. In support of this, the political secretary of Chief Minister Renukacharya has collected 65 signature campaign in support of Chief Minister, stating that he is doing a good job and there should be necessary action should be taken against all the ministers and MLAs who are talking against Chief Minister. The sources are very close to Chief Minister has also told Republic TV that Chief Minister is unhappy. People talking about his age, health and family members, and he has also expressed his grievances against High Command, stating that the High Command is not taking any kind of stringent action against all these MLAs and ministers who are talking against the Chief Minister. So that is why Chief Minister had made this kind of statement yesterday, and today there are support of MLAs to Chief Minister. It clearly indicates that all is not well within BJP government here in Karnataka.
Absolutely. Sagyaraj, stay on with us. Let's play out another reaction that is coming across of the support that is now being gathered in favor of Chief Minister Yediyurappa. We're looking at more than 60 MLAs signing that petition there. Let's listen in also to the Deputy Chief Minister.
See, basically, all this discussion or question doesn't arise. He's our Chief Minister. He's in place. And he has made a statement, I'm a disciplined soldier of the party. And whatever party decides, I'm a loyal worker of the party and I'll abide by as an sincere worker. That was the statement he has made. Generally, he has made a statement that I'm a loyal party worker and always I work with the party and I'm a disciplined soldier. This is the statement he has made. A generalized statement, nothing to do, relate it with, you don't have to relate with any of the situation. This is a statement to send a general discussion. Time and again, all of people keep asking him. He has made a statement, always I'm with the party, abide by the party.
ನೀವು ಕೊಡೋ ಸಂದೇಶ ಏನು ಸರ್?
ನಾನು ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿತೀನಿ. ಯಾವ ದಿವಸ ನೀವು ಬೇಡ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರೇ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಆ ದಿವಸ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹಗಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಗೊಂದಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೊಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಮೀರಿ ಸದುಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಉಳಿದಂಥದ್ದು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟದ್ದು.
ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಕ್ರಿಯವಾಗಿ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ನಾಯಕರು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿ ಜೆ ಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ನಾಯಕರು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಘೋಷಣೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಗೇಶ್ವರ್ ಆಗಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಬೆಳ್ಳದಾಗಲಿ ಬಿ ಜೆ ಪಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದು ಬಿ ಜೆ ಪಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಚ್ಚೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್?
ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಟೀಕೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಲ್ಲ. ಪರ್ಯಾಯವಾದಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ನಾನು ಒಪ್ಪೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಯಾಯವಾದಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಒಪ್ಪೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ.
ನಾಳೆ ಸಭೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
Sagaraj, coming back to you on that, what more do we know what's going to happen next? Because the kind of support that is now being gathering for Yediyurappa, what's going to happen in the coming days? Are we looking at more people now traveling to Bengaluru in support of Yediyurappa or not?
See, what we get to learn is the state BJP president is called for a meeting and probably he will take a decision, and also Arun Singh, who is in charge of Karnataka, is expected to reach Karnataka in a short while, and probably he might take a call on with the chief minister, and he might discuss with the MLAs and minister who had expressed their grievances against the chief minister. So probably this particular meeting will have some kind of important decision which will be taken by the government. On the other side, if you notice, the opposition also criticizing the state government, stating that there are people who are dying because of COVID, there are people who are dying without any jobs and without any kind of financial support from the state, and the state BJP government is busy with their own internal politics. So the situation is not good for Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, and opposition is trying to cash in the situation.